Look here. Tell me what you're watching. What? Dala? What is Dala? Say it properly. What is it? Dora the? Dora? You like Dora? Why do you like Dora? Are you a girl? Yeah? That's the reason you like Dora? Yeah? How old are you? 3? And you like Dora? So will you watch Dora when you grow up? You gonna watch Dora with your girlfriend when you grow up? Yeah? You will tell your girlfriend you like Dora? Yeah? Tell me. You're going to tell your girlfriend you like Dora? Look here, Neil. Ooh, Dora the Explorer, Neil's favorite. Neil is 3 years old and he likes Dora.
He's like Diego.
You are not 3, Neil. You are almost 4. We are in August. This is August 14, 2011.
For whom?
2000.
I'm a boy.
Yeah.
Wow. It passed so fast.
Oh, yeah.
How many more days till I finish?
What?
This month.
This month? Another 16 days. Right, Neil?
14,
Yeah?
15, 17.
And when is your birthday?
Huh?
When is your birthday? You remember your birthday?
January, February, March, and April.
Your birthday is November 13th, so 3 more months to go, right? Yeah. Okay, now say bye.
Say bye, Neil.
Bye. And say I love Dora.
Like this.
Say I love Dora.
I don't do that. You
Say I love Dora, Neil. Bye-bye. Neil.